Glasgow Science Centre is a great family attraction that presents science and technology in unique and inspiring ways. Providing programs of entertaining science theatre, planetarium, and around 300 hands-on interactive science exhibits over 3 floors, to introduce science to everyone. Bodyworks examines the science behind human health and well-being. Powering the future challenges and solutions in our energy-hungry world. Unravel the mysteries of nature in Glasgow Science Centre's outer space. This outdoor discovery area has over 10 interactive experiences. It has lots of activities to keep visitors of all ages entertained for hours. There are 2 acres of interactive exhibits, workshops, shows, activities, a planetarium, and an IMAX cinema. The centre is also home to Newton Flight Academy, and Glasgow Tower. The Science Show Theatre is the place for live science shows full of whizzes, bangs, pops, and flashes. Cast off in the Big Explorer and Splash in the Waterways exhibit, put on a puppet show and masked to the bubble wall. Relax in the celestial treasure trove of the planetarium and explore the wonder of the night sky. Explore the science behind illusions in our A Question of Perception zone, where your mind will play tricks with you in the Ames room or our wacky salon. Be wowed by the 3D effects in the IMAX. Get charged up for an adventure into powering the future, an exhibit for all the family to explore how energy is generated, transformed, stored, and transmitted. Discover what happens behind the power switch. Control objects with the power of your mind, build a roller coaster and look into the future. These are just some of the exciting things you can do with the interactive exhibits in the Science Mall. Wander through our charming wetland, step inside a kaleidoscope and even create a whirlpool. The world is a source of wonder, so nurture your inner science and learn to make discoveries in your surroundings. The Planetarium is a spectacular state-of-the-art full-dome digital projection system. In our live presenter-led shows, piloted by our expert team of astronomers and science buffs, we will take you on fantastic journeys through the solar system, into the Milky Way galaxy and beyond. It's a truly out-of-this-world experience. Marvel at our space zone while you wait to board the planetarium and lift off into the cosmos for the journey of a lifetime. Immersive full-dome experiences are sure to delight fans of legendary rock bands Queen and Pink Floyd. Queen Heaven pairs some of the band's greatest hits with colorful images and archive footage, while Dark Side of the Moon sets iconic album tracks alongside captivating visuals. Before each show, an expert astronomer whisks audiences off on a tour of the cosmos. Special experiences for music lovers and planetarium fans alike. Wondering what is on in Glasgow? Then look up. Amazingly, Glasgow Tower is the only structure on Earth capable of rotating 360 degrees into the prevailing wind and holds the Guinness World Record for the tallest fully rotating freestanding structure in the world. At 127 meters high, the equivalent of over 30 double-decker buses, Glasgow Tower is the tallest freestanding building in Scotland. The Glasgow Tower experience starts down on the ground, where you can learn about the history of Glasgow and the site on which the tower is built. View archive images while you journey through a timeline tunnel, highlighting key events in the city over the past 100 years.